So friend, Nothing has a new flagship phone. Say hello to the Nothing Phone 3. The freshly announced Nothing Phone 3 arrives nearly 2 years after the Phone 2 and there are plenty of differentiating factors between the two. Let's start with the back. Since it's always been a key area on Nothing device, Phone 3 brings a polarizing look to say the least. Nothing went with a 3-column grid look with an off-centered periscope zoom camera sticking out on the top right corner. It's different from what we have seen on past devices from the brand and it certainly stands out from the crowd of competitors. And the big addition this year is the Glyph Matrix. The signature Nothing Phone Glyph interface is now shrunk to a monochrome display made up of 489 LEDs and it does more than just notification as you can assign custom images, animations and app specific messages. There's even a pair of games, Spin the Bottle, Rock Paper Scissors and Magic 8 Ball. Nothing is releasing its developer SDK today, so we all see even more clever ideas here. And there's a dedicated Glyph button, a capacitive circle located beneath the Glyph Matrix and it gives off a vibration and allows you to scroll through the different modes and features. Moving on, Nothing upgraded the cameras, bringing 450 megapixel shooters. The back houses 1 by 1.3 inch main sensor with OIS alongside a 3x periscope zoom module and a 114-degree ultrawide lens. You also get a 50 megapixel selfie camera. The front is dominated by a 6.67 inch AMOLED, same size as the Phone 2 but with slimmer bezel. It's advertised to reach 4500 nits of peak local brightness and feature full HD plus resolution along with an adaptive 30 to 120 Hz refresh rate. And the hardware feels familiar to past Nothing phones. The frame is made from aluminum, the back features Corning Gorilla Glass Victors while the screen is protected by Gorilla Glass 7i. And also noteworthy is the upgraded IP68 ingress protection which is the first for any Nothing phone. A few quick words on the software. We are running Nothing OS 3.5 based on Android 15 and it's as smooth and minimalistic looking as ever. And Nothing confirms we all see Nothing OS 4 later this quarter. The Snapdragon 8H Generation 4 chipset and 5150 mAh silicon carbon battery are worthy upgrades over the Phone 2 and should deliver ample performance and hopefully better endurance. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.